Hello techies, I'm Divya here. On behalf of CyberBrainer, don't you think the world of tech is evolving faster than ever? Now is the perfect time to dive in and build the skills that will take you places. With CyberBrainer, we are putting you in the driver's seat of your own future. We at CyberBrainer don't just teach your interest. We believe that knowledge is power, but it's applied knowledge that truly sets you apart. Whether you're diving into data science, mastering artificial intelligence, or exploring the world of cybersecurity, our courses are designed to give you the skills that matter. So let's jump into the session and make the future yours today. Thank you.
Next, we are going to talk about share date. Extensions are nothing, but when we have multiple business units, business unit is nothing but your sub-account. We have one parent account, and under parent account we have child account. That is called a business unit. If we have multiple business units and we want to share date extensions among or between two different business units, what we can do? We can put them in a shared space that is called shared date extensions. Let's talk about now the publication list. Publication list. Let's understand this with the scenario that why do we need a publication list and how it works. Let's say we are talking about the Amazon.com, and whenever we sign up it asks us for what kind of categories that you are interested in. Maybe I'll choose, I am interested in electronics, or maybe fashion or something like that. Accordingly, Amazon will send me the notifications or maybe send me some recommendation emails that these are the products you might be interested in or something like that, right? But tomorrow, let's say I'm not more interested in the electronics and I don't want to receive the email from innovation related to the electronics products. Then how Amazon is going to tackle the situation, right? We saw that unsubscribe button at all subscriber list level, right? If somebody unsubscribes from the email communication, then like it is, a black or a white. If the subscriber has opted in, we are going to send them the email communication. And if the subscriber has unsubscribed, then we are not going to send any kind of email communication to them. We don't want to do that, right? But what we want to do, that we want to send them the emails and we get to a particular status and we don't want to send them the email which are related to some other. The issue is that the publication list. Here what we can do, we can have different publication list. And the customers can often to particular publication list in which they are interested. And then we are going to send them the email as per their preferences. We'll understand this series with the live demo. Let me create two publications. First of all, one is, let's say, Amazon Electronics. And we will make it public. By making it public, we are making sure that this is available on the Preference Center page. In a while, I'm going to trigger some emails and I'm going to show you what that is doing. Let's say Amazon Fashion. These are the two different categories in which Amazon days. And then what we want to do, that we want to make sure that if the subscriber will also receive the combination with the electronics, and only the electronics combination should be sent out to that particular customer. Or if somebody is interested in fashion, they will receive the fashion. And if somebody is interested in both, they will receive the emails from both the categories. Now, what I want to do is that I want to trigger one email. For that, let me duplicate this tab. Right now. First of all, let me show you one thing. I'm going to create one email message that I want to send out. How do we design the email? Create the email. That is something we'll be talking about in detail when we'll talk about the content builder. For now, I'm just creating one daily email just to send this out. I'm going to create one folder. We've covered a couple minutes. Thank you. 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 And we have seen one property, right? It's testable and sendable. These two checkboxes. These two checkboxes is tested when or like are used for sending useful testing are not checked right. That is why that option is not visible or working. Whenever you make it used for sender, then only the data extension will start appearing for the selection. Now, if you will check this checkbox, then we have to select the relationship with the subscriber key. What does this mean? Right now, what is happening is that these reports are not the subscribers. Yet now, Marketing Cloud will take this responsibility to create a subscriber record in the all subscriber list, because when we, understood about the all subscriber list, we saw that each and every subscriber that we have in our account has to be a part of the all subscribers list. Right now, we have not created these subscribers and the all subscribers, yet much declare will create it. But now, whenever a new subscriber is created, there are two mandatory fields which are required to create a new subscriber. First one is the email address. Another one is the subscriber key. The email address value will be taken here by this particular field. Whenever we are sending the email using a data extension, that data extension should have one email, one field of data type email address, and this is how Marketing Cloud is going to determine that. This is the field. From which field. I'm going to take the value of the email address to send the email. But let's say this could be a possibility that we have two different fields where the data type is equals to email address. In that case, there will be an issue and Marketing Cloud will not be able to identify the correct field which should be used to send the email. We should always have the one field, the way data type is equal to email address. Marketing Cloud is going to determine that this is the field with the help of the data type and will take the email address value to create a subscriber. Now, the other problem is that Marketing Cloud also needs a subscriber key value to create a new subscriber. Now what we need to do, we need to define any of these fields as a subscriber keys whenever we check this checkbox. When we say use for sending, it means that these are the subscribers. These are not just the local reports, but these are the subscribers because we are using for the sending. Now, if we are using for the sending, then we have to define a subscriber fee. Now we make any field in the subscriber fee, what I'm doing. Because the first name can be duplicated for two different customers. But subscriber key is a unique key, right? It cannot be duplicated for two different subscribers. I'll make the customer id as a subscriber key. Because of customer P, customer id will always be a unique key, and I'll click on the save button now. Now what will happen in the backend? The moment we will trigger the email, 3 subscriber reports will be created in our subscribers list and which will have email address, value, respectively, and they will have this customer id values like D403 and the subscriber key value as these values. Let me show you. If you will go to all subscribers, let me copy this. We will see whether this subscriber record is already created or not in this particular or subscribers list. We can search the subscriber with the help of a subscriber fee, and let me paste this and let me click on Find Now button. It will find me whether this record already exists or not. We can see there is no subscriber by the subscriber key, a B403. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to trigger the email. The first thing that will happen whenever we send the email, these records will be added to the also on subscribers list if they do not exist, right? But if the record already exists, then another record will not be created, right? That record will be used for the email sender. Let me refresh this. Let me expand this. Now let me expand this. Now we can see this Amazon customers, and here we can choose a publication list. Right now, we just created these two publication lists, right? And this has got 0 results. What I do? I'll click on the Amazon Electronics as a publication list, and then I'll sell this email. Whenever we choose a publication list and the subscriber is not yet added, then marketing will automatically add that subscriber for the first time. We'll see that as well. Let me send this email first. I want to send this email immediately and I click on the next button. Now the email is sent. Now we can see in the all subscribers list, we should be able to see that the subscribers are added. Now it is complete. Now it is complete and 3 emails have been sent. Let's come to our subscribers and I'll start off chatting. We can see one record has been added to a subscriber list and this is the subscriber key that he had defined. This we had defined. Customer 8 is a subscriber key, right? That is why it took the value with customer 8 and uses a subscriber key while creating the subscriber record. But let's say if we had used a first name as subscriber key, then it would have taken first name as subscriber key. And then we have created a subscriber key with the first million. Similarly, it must have created all these 3 reports. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.